Okay, we're back. Now, we showed loading and saving. We're in the example one, right? So now the thing is, we can just go and create a new spreadsheet, or what we could do is use another sheet on the same program. Now, for example, we look at the bottom, says sheet one, click on the right button on your mouse, and we can rename this to grade 6 report. Okay, so grade 6 report, good. When I click on sheet, hey, wait a minute, it's gone. Okay, we go on 3. Go back to 1, hey, it's back again. Okay, so it hasn't disappeared, we just have another sheet. So we can look at this sheet here, and then what we could do is calculate. I just wanted to show you that you can, with these menus here, you can have more sheets that you want. We can insert another one, we can delete, we can rename, and all these different features, right? But let's look at this. Let's just do one called calculate the area. Okay, so we know we're going to put in bracket here area equals length times width. We can actually create any formulas you have. You can actually do that on the spreadsheet. So one of the things we would like to do is basically merge these ones into one. We go to the merge center and merge across a cell. There we go. We merge across it. We like to make it red. We like to bold it. We like to increase its size. Then we can stretch this out a little bit here. Okay, a little bit back. So this is our assignment here. We need to get from the user the length and the width. Then we're going to show how to calculate it. So what we're going to do is write some statements. Please enter your length. Yeah, put in, let's see, put 2 colons here. So we're going to want them to enter a length, and the area you want them to lengthen, we're going to make green. Okay, please enter. So it actually retyped. You see, it retyped the when you're dealing underneath, you retype the information. We can go on top, and then we can just delete this part. Right, and just put a space here. Your width. Then we can go here, put a nice little green. Okay, so this here we probably want to make a little bold, a little red. So we're asking them to enter their length and their width. So when they enter data in here, now we want to do, this will be the calculation part. So what we're gonna do is put your area equals, alright, and then we're gonna put the answer in this square. Let's put this guy with a different color. So this is the area. I shouldn't say equal, sorry, let's say your area is. Okay, your area is, that makes better sense. The area is, let's just go here, color him, bold him. Okay, so what do we do now? Let's say we answer 10. Next column we answer 20. Okay, so we want to make these red, bold, and we want to center them. This one here we want bold, red, and centered. Okay, so now we have to do a formula. To do any types of formula, just like the sum, we have to basically start with an equal sign. So we go equal, right? From equal, we click on this cell, right? And then we put the times, which is the asterisk, which is shift 8. Okay, then we click the next cell and we press enter. So the answer is the area of a length of 10 and width, right, is 200. So let's look at this now. Go back up. Let's say we change this to 67 and 89. Look, wow, we calculate our answer. What if our answer was 124 and this one was 905. Enter. That's our answer. So you see, this is how you will create your own things. You can put your own headings. You can make this. If we showed you on the cell format. No, this is good. You could make this a heading, and so on. You can dress it up, color it up. You could color this area if you wish. Like I'm just, you can do so much different things. It all depends on you, what exactly that you want. So you can color every cell. You could do your calculation. So basically, if you have, area, length times width, we actually ask the user for the data, and then we do this. Now, same thing. We manipulate the things by timesing it. We can do volume. You can do a conversion from the metric system to the age system, the imperial system. Whatever you want to do, you can convert speed, miles to kilometers, and Fahrenheit to Celsius. Look up the formula, put it in here, and then you can do it. Now the thing is, you can look at any types of calculations that you want. For example, when we have a worksheet, right, that we're going to create for tedious work. Like I had one guy that had a franchise, a chicken franchise, and he's got like 13 templates. And the guy spends hours and hours typing all the stuff manually, actually writing manually. And if you make one error in calculations, he's got to start over. So I create a spreadsheet for him. So all he does is put in the weight of the chicken, how many chickens, how many sold, all the inventory came in, and then at the end, it does all the calculations. So you can change your numbers and you will see. I'll show you some more examples as we go along, but this is the basic stuff that you can go in, type in your information, type your calculations. Don't forget, we have all the functions. You've got all the math functions. This here is to add numbers, to subtract number. The multiplication is an asterisk. Divide is a slash. Right? So remember, the divide is a slash. The minus, so we get plus. Divide is a slash. Minus is a dash. And the asterisk is multiplication. Those are your four basic calculations. We've got other stuff, but basically just to get you started and to see what's going on. So we see on the next example.